Hello there, this is Matthew Pearson. I said I was on board a DIY phone charger, a DIY headphone amplifier. My headphone fell a bit, so I'm going to build a headphone amplifier for a cell phone use, for stereo system use. I'm also building an amplifier and a radio receiver before Christmas, hopefully. I get my parts from Jaycar Electronics and eBay. The power is yours. Have a nice time. Oh, it's too early to go. Let our powers combine. Earth, fire, wind, water, heart. By your powers combine, I'm Captain Planet. Hey, everybody, if you're driving around Jaycar or driving around New Zealand, please do the law. Do not speed, do not drink and drive, do not smoke drugs and drive, do not cause car accidents. We already had one in Christchurch today. Two or three people in Christchurch Hospital intensive care and to moderate care. Please drive to the conditions. The power is yours!